Hi, you're watching Patadendron, and in today's video, I'm unboxing some of my wishlist plants from Steve's Leaves. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hi, welcome, I'm Patrick, and I love plants. And if you do too, you should definitely hit that subscribe button because I love going on these planty adventures and taking you along with. So if that sounds like something that could be fun for you, then you should definitely hit that subscribe button. Today I am unboxing some of my wishlist plants that I have been wanting for so long. Some from Steve's Leaves and some I was just really excited to see on Steve's Leaves. Oh, and this came in the mail and I'm excited to unbox this for you guys because this is going to be a fun new experiment. So I'm super excited for this. Ooh, okay. I'm kind of curious as to how this is all gonna work out. But when I did see this on Amazon, I was really, really intrigued. This is supposed to be I don't know which way is up. Oh. I guess this way is up. But this is a complete hydroponic system from Mars Hydro. Nice, light user manual. I'm really excited to grow stuff in here. So how is this going to work? Is that all that's in there? Oh no. I was really excited for this unboxing because if you don't already know, my two grow tents are made by Mars Hydro, the same creator of this all-in-one hydroponics grow kit. I thought that was so cool to have a tabletop grow kit with lights and everything, and I'm really excited to try this out for you guys. But the only thing is, unfortunately, the package was missing my nutrient solution, and I'm gonna have to get in touch with the company to see if they can send me that. I see what it is now. Okay, or how to. Awesome, and that's the light. I can't wait to learn more about this. This is my new hydroponic grow kit, all inclusive with the lights, you know. I'm gonna have fun with this. We're gonna have fun with this, you know. All right, now on to the Steve's Leaves plants, you know. I'm super excited because I have not ordered from Steve's Leaves in quite some time, maybe a year or so, but I'm excited for this delivery. This is a plant that I thought I'd never ever find here in the US. I always see it like... Ooh. Love a good fan. Okay. This is a plant that I've wanted for so long, and the price has gone down like a lot, considerably. I'd say dramatically, ridiculously even. I'm glad I waited because I saw this plant going for sorry, I just saw the leaves. They looked a lot softer than I imagined. But this was going for around, I don't know, I've seen this go for over $100. But now, I don't remember how much I paid for this. I think maybe $19.99 or $24.99, but I'll put the price on the screen. This is the Syngonium Yano Cartier Road, and wow, it is so much more beautiful in person. I really love the dark leaves, and it has really beautiful dark purple undersides. That's exciting. Okay, this is another wish list. Syngonium. It's a lot of Syngoniums. Alright, this is another wish list Syngonium. I just never bit the bullet, and I thought the Steve's Leaves price was just right. This is the Syngonium Batik. Third plant, final Syngonium. Third Syngonium, final Syngonium. Oh, wow, okay. Woo. Nice big leaves on this. This is the Syngonium Lance Leaf. That is really pretty. Alright, this is the plant that I've been waiting for, the plant that I've been just dreaming of ever since I've heard of it. Everyone, I mean, you guys know how much I love Marantas. Like, Marantas are one of my favorite genuses. Love those little leaves. And I saw that Steve's Leaves has the silver Maranta available, and I just had to. It's so pretty. Awesome. Oh. So this is the Maranta Lucanura Silver Band. Not that these plants need any acclimating, but I will be spoiling these plants by putting them in this Mars Hydro grow tent. It's just the perfect controlled environment, and it's so conducive to growing. The lights, the humidity, the heat, it's perfect, and I love my plants, and my plants love this grow tent. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me as I unboxed some really exciting plants. I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Please throw me a bone and give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my plant videos, come plant shopping with me. Hit that subscribe button. I can't wait to see you in the next video. I just don't want to miss you too much. So if you could show me some love in the comments, and I'll meet you there. Bye.
Baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there.